Hello everyone, my name is Alyssa, and today myself and Law Tigers, America's motorcycle lawyers, are going to be going over how to change a tire. And I'm going to be using some tools that can be pretty easy to get on just about any budget. Yes, I would absolutely love one of those fancy tire changing machines, but you can get it done with these. So today I'm going to be doing a tubeless tire. You may also have a dirt bike or a spoked rim that has a tube, so with that, just be a little bit more careful that you don't puncture the tube when you're getting in there so that you can possibly reuse it. First, remove your valve core. This holds the air in. Don't lose it. You can use tire irons to break the bead, or I've got this under $100 bead breaker just to make it a little easier as I work my way around the tire. Flip it and do the same on the other side. Mix up dish soap and water for lubricant. Spray a little around and get your tire irons ready to work their way around the tire. Look out if you have a tube inside that can be pinched. Flip and work the other side of the tire over. You can use your knee to hold the tire opposite in the center of the rim, giving the other side a little bit more room to slip over. And it's gone. This one had too many highway miles on it. Clean and inspect the rim, and inspect or replace your tube. You can also use baby powder on your tube to help reduce friction. Notice the mark on the tire where your valve stem should go near, and the tire rotation. Double check with your rim. Lube it up and press on the new tire. Basically now you're working in reverse. Don't force it, you can actually rip the bead of the tire so it won't hold air, ruining your tire. Again, use the dip in the rim for a little extra room on the other side and work around. Replace your valve core. Break out the air compressor to pop the tire bead on both sides. Then set the correct air pressure, likely less than what you need it to set the bead. Oh, you thought we were done? Not so fast. We've still got to use these wheel weights to balance the wheel, and then we get to remount it on the motorcycle. Remove old weights and find the heaviest part. Place weights opposite. Give it a few tries until it seems balanced. All right, now you can start remounting your wheel on your motorcycle and prepare to hit the road. And should you ever need them, Law Tigers are America's motorcycle lawyers. No, they do not sell insurance, but they can help go to bat with you against insurance companies and others to make sure that you get the compensation you deserve if you're ever injured in a motorcycle accident. My name is Alyssa. I hope that you found this helpful. Give us a subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.